Excuse me. Yeah, very unique escalators. And back in the day, this was known as a rolling carpet. It was all one piece. It was all rubber if it were not for these steps. But only until, like, I don't know, 2006 or something, they redid the escalator and they put these new metal plates here, whatever they're called. And these escalators were built by Canadian Vickers in 1966 and revamped by Cnim, a French company. But that's about to change because now, since ThyssenKrupp is now a big player in the elevator, escalator industry, Cnim maybe. So yeah, it's really something. It's really a unique part of our Montreal Metro. And it's the only station that has this. And I guess the reason why they changed it to metal, I guess, is because rubber, it's not as strong, I find, as metal. It's not durable. Or I guess just because it was aging and I guess it was not up to protocol, I guess, maybe. Who knows? Or just bringing up the standard, who knows? Yeah, and these steps, man. You have to be very careful when it's raining outside because this staircase, you can really like just run and just slip and fall big time. Even worse when you're going upwards. It's really bad. Ah, damn it. I got my freaking earphones wet. Damn it. Well, there you go. That tells you about the problems about the station. But which is actually going to close very soon. Yeah, it's really something. And there goes another Azure right there. There's like about, I don't know, 6 or 7 Azures on the tracks. It's not even funny. Almost every second train, it's an Azure. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Comme voulez-vous. Yep, there you go. Water infiltration. Major problem in this station, which is going to be fixed very soon. Ugh. And on a very quiet day, you can actually hear the motor of the escalator running. But you can't really hear it because it's very loud. Like a lot of people and all this shit. So that's it, man.